Good morning, students. Welcome back to my English online class. Today we will discuss 6th chapter from your English grammar book. The chapter is about verb. So all of you open your books, page number 27. See, verb. What is verb? A verb is a word which says something about a subject. Do you know what is subject? These are the subjects. I is singular, we plural, you singular, you plural, tumi tumalok, he, she, it. This is third person singular number. They plural. Okay, remember this chart. Here third person singular number includes names like that. Okay, so the subject is about whom or about which the sentence is saying or sentence is indicating. Okay, now see, look at the following sentences carefully. My mother cooks. Here verb is cook. Okay, why s is here? Because my mother is third person singular number. You have to use s and es in case of third person singular number after the verb. Okay, here after cook we used s. Understand? Now see, number 2, the story was interesting. So the story was is used for past tense. Story to interesting asil means past tense was. Rima has a pink frock. Rimar eta pink frock ase. Ghaziabad is a highly polluted city. Ghaziabad ekhon highly polluted city. Okay, here the red color words are verbs. In the above sentences, the highlighted words denote an action, cooks, or the state of the subject is and was or possession by the subject has. Basically, they are telling us something more about the subject. Such words are known as verb. So these highlighted words are indicating about something about a subject. So these are known as verbs. Understand? Verbs are the words that say something about a person or a thing. Underline this sentence. Function of a verb. What is the function of a verb? What they do? Verbs denote the action of the subject of the sentence. In a sentence, verb says verbs indicates the action of subject. What the subject has, what the subject do, etc. Okay. Examples. Children play football. Mr. Chawla taught English to the class. Here, taught is verb, means hikua. Okay, Mr. Chawla taught English to the class. Taught is past form, teach, taught. Okay, taught. Here this is used, taught. The water freezes in cold. Freezes, here es is used. Okay, so note down small things. The athletes run. Run is verb. Verbs denote the state of the subject or what the subject is. See the examples. Rahul is a student. Dr. Kalam was a great scientist. Is. Rahul ejon student hoy. This is for present tense. Is used in present tense. Dr. Kalam was a great scientist. Was is used for past tense. Understand? Sachin and Saurav are players. are is used for present tense in plural form. Okay, this is here two persons are present, so are is used. Rahul is a single person, so is used. Okay, is for singular and are is for plural. Remember this. Okay, see, for I am the shortest student in the class. Classটোৰ ভিতৰত মই shortest. I am is used with I. Okay, verbs denote what is done to the subject. Example, John was punished by the principal. John principalৰ দ্বাৰা punishment পাইছিল. Punished. And here verbs denotes what is done to the subject. Subject means John. কি হৈছিল জনৰ? John was punished by the principal. Rani was bitten by the dog. Here bitten is denoting that what is done with Rani. That Rani was bitten by the dog. Grammar is being taught by the teacher. Here taught, this is the verb. Okay, verbs denote possession by the subject. What he or she has, what I have, that is. He has a green bag. Lions have thick fur around their neck. Mr. Joshi has a car. So in these sentences the verbs denote what the subject has and verbs denote possession by the subject. Understand? Subjector কি আছে সেইটো denote কৰে. Okay, remember, see, am is are used in present tense. In case of present tense, was were. Was is the past form of am and is. Okay, and was is used for past tense and were is also used for past tense. Was is used for singular number and were is used for plural number. Here am and is used for singular number, are is used for plural number. Okay, and am is used with I am. Okay, is used with he, she, it, etc. He is, she is, it is a ball, she is a girl, he is a boy, like that. Is used with he, she, it. Okay, and are is used with we are, you are, they are, like that. These are plural. Understand? Now see, was is used with I was, she was, he was, it was, like that for singular. And were is used for we are, we were, you were, they were, like that. This is for plural. Understand? Okay, now see, have is used for I have, you have, they have, etc. Okay, and has is used for it has, she has, he has, like that. Understand or not? And now see, and have and has are used for present in case of present tense, and the past form of have and has is had, and had is used for all. I, we, you, he, she, they, etc. So remember this. Okay, so students, it's your today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.